Islamabad is a modern capital surrounded by ancient sites. A road from the shrine of Gurdwara Sharif leads to a site that is thousands of years old. And near the Shah Allah Ditta village, deep in the Magla hills, are 3,000 years old Buddha caves. The negligence on the part of Archaeological department is turning this beautiful place into shambles. Initially there were 10 Buddha caves, but now only one remains. The stone quarrying on the nearby hills and climatic effects have resulted in their destruction. The Buddhist inscriptions in the caves have also faded away.
If a cultural department, they do something along with this archaeological and historical department, they can easily do some things.
A couple of years back, the Chinese and Japanese ambassadors offered to preserve this fast decaying site, to which the government has not yet responded.
Both of them offered any government institution should come forward and we will pay the all amount which will be encouraged to preserve these caves. But not a single department has put up the feasibility to government of China or government of Japan.
Near the Buddha caves lie the site of the battlefield where Raja Ambi met Alexander the Great. From there, a newly constructed road takes you to a centuries-old well in Kantla, Haripur. Historians claim that Shahabuddin Ghori built this well, and after centuries have passed, this well is still in very good condition. Even the harsh weather has had little effect on it.
You can see that it's very well preserved, not by our departments, but naturally it was built so strong with the stones that it's still like a new one.
Many foreign tourists are attracted to these sites.
Pakistan has to offer many things, cultural sites, you have very beautiful sites to see, and this is something that people should know in other countries as well, to make them aware that Pakistan has more to offer than the media and press coverage that it has right now in foreign countries.
Archaeologists believe that sites of such historical significance lying in the vicinity of Islamabad can be easily converted in tourist destinations. It can certainly help Pakistan earn revenue and respect. Nausheen Yusuf, Dawn News, Islamabad.